Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the cable of your Dyson HD01 vacuum. Let's dive right into the tools you'll need for this task. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have everything ready to ensure a smooth process. Begin by unplugging the vacuum from any electrical outlet. Safety first. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum near the cable entry point. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover away from the body of the vacuum. Be cautious as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws are removed. After the back cover is off, you'll see the internal wiring and the old cable. Now, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Cleaning inside your Dyson can extend its lifespan and improve performance. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe down the surfaces. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Next, locate the point where the cable connects to the motor. Use your pliers to carefully disconnect the old cable from the motor terminals. Make a note of how the cable is connected so you can replicate it with the new cable. After disconnecting the old cable, it's time to install the new one. If you have not purchased a replacement cable yet, you can find one online or at a local store. Insert the new cable into the same slot where the old one was connected. Ensure it is secured tightly to avoid any electrical issues. Before reassembling the vacuum, check that the new cable is routed correctly and does not get pinched when putting the cover back on. If you don't have the tools for this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making this process hassle-free. Once you're satisfied with the cable installation, replace the back cover. Align it properly and press it down gently until it snaps back into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely but without over-tightening, as this could damage the plastic. Now, plug your Dyson HD01 back in and test the vacuum. Ensure that the cable is functioning properly and that there are no issues with the connection. If everything looks good, you're done. Finally, if you ever find yourself in need of repairs or maintenance in the future, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.